Hi, my name is Craig. I'm shop foreman here at Mercedes-Benz of Paramus. Today we're going to be talking about Sprinter service. Got a Sprinter? Keep it running like new with the people who built it. Our certified Sprinter techs know every nut, bolt, belt, and sensor. We only use Mercedes-Benz genuine parts made to last and built for your van. Downtime costs you money. That's why we prioritize fast turnarounds and our fleet customers. With advanced tools and diagnostics made for Sprinters, we get it right the first time. Keep your business on the road. Schedule your service today with Mercedes-Benz of Paramus.